Downtown Light.
What's up, family, and welcome to Blueprint Your Mind. My name is lambopwithlove, and this channel is dedicated to unshackling your mind so you can leave that 9-to-5 job, and also teaching you strategies and tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and ways to make money online, even if you have no prior experience. If this is something that interests you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you know every single time that I'm dropping content. And don't forget to drop a like on this video if you get extreme value. Now, today's video, we're going to be talking about crafting offers. Now, before we get started, I wanted to let everybody know that crafting an offer is literally a skill that can pay you thousands of dollars if you know how to do it correctly. And in this video, I hope to really break down how to craft an irresistible offer for your audience. Let's get into it. So why should you craft custom offers? Well, your offer is one of the most important parts of your marketing campaign, and you need to spend much of your time and energy on structuring this correctly. Now, the first thing that you want to really understand about crafting an offer is deliver endless value, okay? Deliver endless value to your audience, to your potential customers. Now, what is the result which takes them from point A to point B? This is when you know what your audience wants. You want to deliver that value to them, okay? Now, crafting an offer goes into the know what your audience wants and knowing what they need. If you do not know these things, it's going to be very hard for you to craft the right offer for the right type of person. Now, you want to be talking their language, okay? You need to learn the language or the jargon that is used within your target market. And if you are in the make money online niche, then you need to know the common language like funnels, email automation, KPI or key point indicators, CPA or cost per acquisition, and integration. When you know the language, then you can craft offers for your audience in order for them to start taking action on the products or services that you would like to promote. Another thing that you want to do, or another way that you really want to focus, is you want to give your customer a reason why, okay? When you have a really good offer, you need to justify why. All right. People are so used to being shortchanged that when someone makes a strong value-filled offer, they become skeptical and they look for the hook. So always be transparent on why this offer is the best choice for your prospect or your potential customer. Another thing that you could do in order to craft an irresistible offer is add a bonus. Okay, adding bonuses to your offer can make it more appealing, and it is a very smart move. This is where you can start offering one or ones, PLR products, or access to a free group, or maybe some other type of bonuses that you may have access to. You want to start offering these bonuses along with your product or service. Also have a sense of scarcity, because your offer needs to really stick out. And a lot of the times, if your offer has an element of scarcity, it makes people feel like they need to respond immediately, okay? People respond much more to fear and a loss than the prospect of a gain. Okay, so if someone thinks that your offer is going to go away soon, a lot of the times they take action right then, because if they think that they can come get it next week, next month, or next year, they'll 9 times out of 10 take their time in taking the action. So craft offers based off of these principles that I just named before we really get into more details about crafting an irresistible offer. Because you always want to treat your marketing like you're dating somebody, okay? We live in a world where social media has made it so easy to connect with people. So really think about it this way. Imagine that you're going on a first date, whether you're a man or a woman, or if you're looking to score on a first date. The chances are going to be very slim unless both parties are interested, okay? Do you really want to give them fast food on your first date? I mean, think about it. When you're going on your first date, do you want to just take them to McDonald's or Burger King? Then why do you want to do that inside of your marketing? Okay, when you are looking to make a fast sale, you tend to forget that people like to be wined and dined, not because they like expensive meals, but because of the experience of that meal and the environment that makes it more memorable. Sure, some people are simple. You know, they want it quick, fast, and in a hurry. A simple burger and fries is good enough. But to be honest, is this someone that you would want to date for the long term if you were taken to McDonald's on your very first date? Remember, the first impression is everything. If you are only focused on the sale and not the customer experience, then your chances of having quality traffic lower dramatically. Okay. Now you need more customers in order to date consistently. That's the problem with fast and in a hurry or fast food marketing. So what you want to do is you want to give them a steak and lobster. Okay. I always like to say that build a relationship that always leaves a great first impression. All right. When talking to new prospects, I want to take them to a nice place and I want to get them a steak and a lobster. I want them to invest in their success and not just my own success. Okay. No matter what type of situation that you are in, the prospect is not responsible for that. All right. So selling them on these ideas will not be good for the longevity of your business. So be sure that you are wining and dining and serving them the right meal in your marketing and giving them extreme value for the price that they are willing to pay you for helping them. If you want to gain a new customer, you need to be invested in them. All right. Invested in the time to conversate, invested into learning what it is that they need. I wish it was simple as posting a link and 100 people buy from you right then and there. But if you don't have the right people visiting that link, then they will just come, get the free fast food meal and the free condiments, and they're just going to go to the restaurant right across the street. Okay. So be the person that gives them value and make that great first impression. You won't get a one night stand every day. So make every date worthwhile and memorable.